नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं वॉइस ऑफ हाउस। मैं हूं आपके साथ पलक शर्मा। आइए नजर डालते हैं खबर की ओर।
कांग्रेस सांसद गौरव गोगोई ने कहा, भाजपा ने अपने केंद्रीय बजट के जरिए पूरे देश का बहिष्कार किया। उनकी दिलचस्पी सिर्फ सरकार बचाने और 2-3 बड़े उद्योगपतियों की मदद करने में है और इसलिए इंडिया टुडे ने नीति आयोग की बैठक में भाजपा का बहिष्कार किया। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी कमजोर और लाचार है। उन्हें पता है कि अगर वे सीएम नीतीश कुमार और चंद्रबाबू नायडू को खुश नहीं रखेंगे तो उनकी सरकार गिर जाएगी और खुद को बचाने के लिए उन्होंने देश के बाकी हिस्सों को धोखा दिया है, उनकी अनदेखी की है। हरियाणा, महाराष्ट्र, झारखंड और जम्मू कश्मीर में भाजपा को सबक सिखाया जाएगा।
BJP has boycotted the entire country through their union budget. BJP has boycotted the farmers of India when they refused to give legal protection to MSP. BJP has boycotted the students of India whose higher education exams get repeatedly cancelled. BJP has boycotted the entire hard-working taxpayers by removing the benefit on indexation. BJP has boycotted people living in cities and towns. We have seen what has happened in the MCD area of Delhi. We have seen highways collapsing in Bihar. We have seen trains getting derailed all over. So BJP has boycotted India because they are only interested in saving their government and helping the 2-3 big industrialists. And that's why India today has boycotted the BJP in the Niti Aayog meeting.
So why opposition has termed this union budget as Kursi Basa budget and BJP refused all alliance?
Prime Minister Modi is weak. Prime Minister Modi is helpless. He knows if he does not keep Nitish Kumar ji happy, he knows that if he does not keep Chandrababu Naidu happy, then his government will fall. And that is why, only to protect himself, he has betrayed, ignored and boycotted the rest of India, the farmers, the taxpayers, the small industry owners. And it just shows how selfish the BJP is. The election to Bihar and Andhra Pradesh is next year. But from this year onwards, they have started to forget and ignore the rest of India. What can we expect in the next budget? If this budget itself is giving two political parties all the benefits, then next year you will see JDU getting even more mileage. And even next year, the rest of India cannot expect anything. The BJP will be taught a lesson in Haryana, in Maharashtra, in Jharkhand, in Jammu Kashmir.
इस खबर में बस इतना ही। देखते रहें वॉइस ऑफ हाउस। लेटेस्ट अपडेट से जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल वॉइस ऑफ हाउस को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें।